What's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown coming to you on a Sunday, and I'm on my job site because tomorrow, which is Monday, I have one of those situations where I got to be in two places at one time. So I just came by here, had to fuel up the lull, and then I just coming around here, just checking on a few things so I can talk to my guys later on this evening to go over our scheduling. And that's what I like to do sometimes on Sundays, is come by, look at a job, see where we are, because I don't want the crew to get here and they're waiting around for an hour just to get material or gas or something like that. So I try to do as much as I can on those days like today. Spend an hour or so just going by job sites and just doing what I have to do. So what we're going to end up doing now in the next couple of weeks, pretty much all the scaffolding has been removed. Some is being returned, others are going to be kept. What's down there is going to be kept because that's going to be for the cabana. We have a concrete roof that needs to be shored up, so we left some scaffolding here for that. But all this other stuff here is where the pool is going to be, and what we're going to be doing is cleaning up. You know, bring the Bobcat in here, clean it up, level it off a bit, get the survey company back out here to shoot our corners for our cabana, shoot our elevations for our pad, and then we're going to start building it. Now we're going to have to build this cabana before the pool. The only reason why we're doing that is the cabana has a concrete roof that cantilevers over the pool. So in order for, I know damn wild dogs out here. Okay, there's neighbor's dogs, they out here. If you catch me running, you know why. So what we're going to be doing is leveling this off, and so we can put the shoring on solid ground, because if we dig the pool out, it's going to be too deep for us to try to put the shoring to support the roof. So you got to kind of like put the cart before the horse sometimes. In order for things to work, there's things that we're going to have to do differently, which I quite understand. But yes, come Tuesday or Wednesday, we're going to have this all cleaned up, graded out, and you're going to see it look real nice and everything like that. Pretty much the building is up, the square footage is up. What we got, we're getting ready for the roof. As you can see up there, that's the bottom of the hollow core floor system. We're going to have a drop ceiling there to run all the air conditioned ducts and things like that. As you can see there, the in-bed there, this whole area from top to bottom is nothing going to be glass. It's going to be windows. So from that location, we'll scan it to that concrete, that steel column. And then over here, we have the same thing there. It's going to be a steel column that's going to be steel beam. Then once we put that in there, then we can install the glass. There's going to be glass there. I'm like in the kitchen area right now. Glass here. It's going up in this area. It's glass here. It's going up from floor to ceiling there, floor to ceiling there, floor to ceiling there. So next week is going to be very critical to the progress of the job. As I come out right here, this is like the front entry here. Actually, no, it's not. It's going to be glass. This is a stairwell. We don't have the stairs in it. You can see I got temporary stairs, but this is going to be the stairwell here, going up. My actual entry is this right here. You know, all the way up, nothing but glass. Those doors are heavy and very expensive too. But we got it together. And over here, against this wall here, we're gonna have a water detail, a fountain that I gotta lay out. Hopefully next week, get the plumber in and run his pipes so we can get all that together. So as I scan back a little bit more, you can see the enormity of this whole house. The columns are straight. The wood that you see there is going to be my ribbon board, because we're going to pour up to that elevation once we're on the roof deck. And here I am on the Sunday, all by my lonesome, getting it done. All right, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and get some insights of what it is to how to build, what things you need to do to get started, how to build your real estate portfolio. If you building your investment portfolio, that's not a problem. Sometimes people are building their duplex, triplex, fourplex. Some people are building their apartment buildings, and you don't want to buy. You see some land that you want to develop, then there's no reason why you shouldn't get it and then get your team together to build it. If you're here in South Florida, give me a call. We can assist you with that, to give you the ins and outs of step A, step B, step C, if you decide that you want to build something from ground up. So we design, build. We have our architects, we structural engineers, we have a whole full service team. So when you come talk to me and I say, hey, I want to take on the project, when we take on a project, we take on a project from beginning to end. Your involvement is keeping your vision, keeping your ideas, making sure that we are following your ideas and your scheme that you're trying to create. And so it takes a lot to do it. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not Property Brothers or HGD. We make it look like it's, nothing happens. It's like, yes, there's some involvement where you have to be on top of things, but you got to have the right crew. As you can see, I still got material here ready to be taken off the job site. That's money. I got to get it off the job site. The job site has to be cleaned up for the next round of activity. So there's constant movement on these projects. So again, if you need any assistance on building your single family home or your investment properties, I don't care if there's apartments or duplexes or triplexes, fourplexes, give us a call. Let's have a talk. Let's have a sit down and go over the details as far as making your property last. So make sure you go to my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders. Make sure you subscribe, watch the videos, and let's keep this thing working. Peace.